Hello friends, welcome to Technobuzz. In this video, I will discuss about how to launch OpenFoam cases when different versions of OpenFoam are installed in your system. Before going into the video, please do like, share and subscribe. In Ubuntu, I have installed OpenFoam 11 and OpenFoam 12. Some cases I launch using OpenFoam 11 and some using OpenFoam 12. Now let us see how to launch the cases using different versions of OpenFoam. To do this, we have to open the bash.rc file and make the necessary changes to the environment path of OpenFoam versions. If you remember, when we install the OpenFoam using the OpenFoam installation procedure, there are a list of commands which are copy pasted in the terminal. One of the last commands is something like this. So this line is copied and pasted in the bash.rc file. What we need to do is we have to modify this command something in this way using alias option. So here OF11 is the name which I have given. Here you can give any name. So the 11 is the version name to remember and rest is same. Similar procedure we need to follow for other versions also. Like in my case, I have installed OpenFoam 12. So the same line I modify here. We need to follow the same procedure for all the versions which we have installed in our Ubuntu. Now once this is done, save the bash.rc file. Now let us test this. Open the terminal and set the path to the working case directory and test this. Now in the terminal prompt, set the path and you can just open the bash.rc file using the command gedit. So once the bash.rc file is open, you can see the installed commands here. We have copy pasted these commands earlier while installing the OpenFoam 11 and 12. So let us modify these two lines as we have discussed using the alias command. Okay, so once this is done, we can comment the earlier lines or we can leave them like that. Now let us open the folder and in the folder open the terminal so that the path is automatically set to the working directory. Once done, first let us type the name OF12. Now use the block mesh command of OpenFoam. Now just scroll up and you can see the version name. Here this is OpenFoam version 12. Now let us test the other thing. Now type OF11 and again use the block mesh command. Now let us check the version number. This is now OpenFoam 11. So this is what we need to do and use this to launch the cases. Having tested the procedure in Ubuntu, now let us explore how to launch cases with different OpenFoam versions in Windows with Windows Subsystem for Linux. In my laptop, I have installed two versions of OpenFoam 12 and version 2406. Open the Windows Subsystem for Linux terminal and set the path to working case directory. Obviously, the latest version would be the default. Then if we want to launch the case using the other version, then just type the command OpenFoam 2406 and press enter. Then the path will be set to the OpenFoam 2406 version, and we can launch the case using that version. Now let us test this using the Windows Subsystem for Linux terminal prompt. Now I have opened the terminal of Windows Subsystem for Linux and set the path to the current working directory. I selected cavity as an example to test this procedure. So let us first type the OpenFoam command block mesh. Now scroll up and see the version. So here the default version, as I told you, is version 12. Directory takes version 12. Now if I want to launch the case using version 2406, then what I can do is just type the command OpenFoam. Here F should be small letter 2406. Okay, and then enter. Once this is done, see now you come across OpenFoam 2406. Now we can test again block mesh and see. Now here you can see the version is 2406. This is how you can use any version. If some other versions are installed, then we can use the same procedure to launch the case using different versions. I hope this tutorial will help when you install multiple OpenFoam versions in your laptop. Thank you for watching this video. Please do like, share and subscribe.